Hello guys and welcome back to MSX Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Marvel Rivals error code 220, and let's get straight into the video. So all you want to do is make your way over to the search bar and just type in control panel. Now once control panel is open, you can make your way over to network and internet and then go over to network and sharing center. From here just click on change adapter settings, go over to your Wi-Fi, or if you're using Ethernet cable use that, but whatever you're using, right click on it, hit properties, and then make your way over to Internet Protocol version 4, and then go ahead and hit properties again. Now from here, go over to use the following DNS server address, 8.8.8.8, or for the alternate, you can do 8.8.4.4, and then go ahead and hit OK. And then that is basically it. You can go ahead and exit out. Refresh, restart your PC, restart Marvel Rivals, and then once you turn it back on, you guys should be good to go. That is it for the video, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.